Hi, this is VC Pro Trade channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change stream title on OBS. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. A snazzy title is one of the best ways to attract a new audience. It helps your page and stand out from the ocean of other Twitch streamer and makes it show up in search result more frequently. But what if you can't come up with anything interesting right off the bat? Likely Twitch offers multiple solutions. So with OBS, the ghost streaming software most Twitch user, you can pretty much change the title from outside the platform. So how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our OBS. From here, you can select on settings here. From settings, you can go to stream. Select on stream. On the surface, you can change to Twitch. Select on Twitch. You can connect your account. You can log in into your Twitch account onto OBS. You can enter your password. You can just log in. So the Twitch will send you code to verify your account. You can enter the code. So now you have connect your Twitch account. Now you can just select on apply in here and select on OK. So you have the stream information on your OBS right now. You can just drag the stream information to here, and also the stream chat to here. Now on the title, you can change the title whatever you like. If you want to make the title maybe like this. Now you can also add the change the live notification for your viewer. After that, you can just select on done. So now you have changed your Twitch title streaming from your OBS. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your stream title on Twitch on OBS. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.